Hello, I'm Santiago, Senior Applications Engineer at Dwyer Instruments, and welcome to this video highlighting the Model TS2-K Digital Temperature Switch Configuration Key. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use the TS2-K to quickly program a temperature switch such as the TS2 that I'll be using today. First, we'll need to change the programming on one of our TS2s here, so we can verify that the TS2-K does indeed change the programming over. To change the programming, we will hold set for 8 seconds until we see a 0 appear, and then press set once more. I'm going to change our H6 setting, which is the probe type, so we can easily see the change. Set and down will return to the main screen. From here, we'll have to verify that the TS2-K is in the upload position instead of the download. The jumpers here will tell us that. The on position is upload, the 1-2 is download. Just plug this in the back port now. It will flash green, and when we press the button for the upload, it will turn a solid green. This lets us know it was successful. Now we'll need to change the jumpers to the download position for the second TS2. Again, we put this in the back port. It will flash green. The button will turn it solid green, letting us know the upload or download was successful. To learn more or order any Dwyer product, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.